Today, we're doing meatballs, Greek style.
Oh, tender and juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside.
These meatballs are always a crowd favorite.
Oh, serve them up with the classic Greek accoutrements for the perfect meatball party.
I love a meatball party.
I don't have enough meatball parties.
I know. Believe me, that's one invitation I would not throw away, especially if you're making these. These are so good. Okay, so let's get started. We got a lot to talk about here.
Yes.
So we've got, this is 2 pieces of country white bread that I took the crust off and then I cut it up a little bit. This is a quarter.
Decrusted and cut.
I decrusted and cut, thank you. And then now to that I added a quarter cup of milk. And I'm just gonna let this hang out in that milk and let that bread absorb it. That is going to help make these meatballs tender and juicy.
Tender and juicy.
Tender and juicy.
Oh, and y'all, so we're serving these up with some of the classic, like
accoutrements.
Greek accoutrements, and one of those is tzatziki sauce. This is so good.
It really is a game changer, and it's one of those things. You can of course buy it at the store, but making it at home is easy. And let me tell you how we did it.
It is so good.
You can do this like a day or 2 in advance. So I get a cucumber and I peel it, and then I cut off the ends, and then I cut it in the middle, and then slice each of those lengthwise. And then I get a spoon and just scoop out all of those seeds. And then you get a box grater, or you could do this in a food processor, and you want to shred it. And you're going to shred it until you get about a quarter cup to a half a cup. And then there's a lot of water. We want to get rid of that water. So you're going to either squeeze it through a towel or
cheesecloth.
Cheesecloth, I couldn't say it. And get rid of all of that excess liquid. Then you're going to add that to a bowl, and to that you're going to add a cup of Greek plain yogurt, a teaspoon of white wine vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic that have been minced, a tablespoon of dill fresh that's been chopped, the juice of half of a lemon, and then a healthy pinch of salt, healthy pinch of black pepper, and a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And then just whisk that till it's fully combined, and you've got homemade tzatziki sauce.
It's so awesome.
And I just put in that. We eat that stuff all the time. It is so good.
I'm a cucumber lover.
You do. I mean, that was one of the first things he told me when we met. He said, "I love cucumbers." I said, "Okay."
That's exactly what I said.
I know. And from that point on, I was feeding the loon.
Hi, I'm Wes, and I love cucumbers. All right, you good with that?
Now let's start building these. So what I did was I just kind of, get them kind of mushy a little bit, because like I said, they're going to be in these meatballs, and it's just going to make them super tender. Okay, this is a pound of ground beef. This is traditional Greek meatball filling, which is a half a pound of ground lamb. If you wanted to only cook with beef, you could do that. Okay, so now I'm just going to start adding all of these fun ingredients. I've got,
and we'll wash all these dishes.
Yes, an egg.
Because you're flinging it.
That's right. We've got an egg, and then now this is an onion, a red onion that again, it's all about the texture. So I grated it, keep that moisture, the liquid that goes in, because it's going to help make it super tender. This is one of those tricks that really makes these meatballs incredible. You could finely chop it, but grate it if you can. Okay, this is 2 cloves of garlic. I'm not speaking very well today.
Well, you've got a little bit of a head cold.
I know, I do. I'm recovering from that. So now we've got, this is parsley. This is a half a cup of Italian parsley that I chopped. And now this is a classic Greek flavoring. This is 2 tablespoons of fresh mint. And it just complements the flavors so wonderfully. It's amazing. I'm building a pile.
I know, I'm taking care of it.
Okay, so now I've got some seasonings here. I've got a teaspoon of ground cumin and a teaspoon of oregano. Again, classic flavors. I've got a tablespoon of red wine vinegar and a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. That is going to make some really flavorful meatballs.
Just the smell right now is amazing. It is amazing.
Okay, now what are you doing?
All right, so while you're mixing that, I'm going to make that classic cucumber salad that you throw on a gyro, that you serve it up with some lamb. Oh, it's so good.
So good.
So I've got a cucumber here that I partially peeled and chopped up into little pieces.
We got rid of the seeds, kind of like what we did with that tzatziki sauce, and then you just cut it up into bite-sized pieces.
And then I have a 3/4 cup of chopped
tomatoes.
Tomato.
We went with cherry tomatoes on these.
I
But
love how we finish this before I
well,
because I take too much time. Okay, so cherry tomatoes, we chopped that up. That's 3/4 a cup. I've got half a cup of chopped onion, red onion. Then I have a 1/4 cup of parsley.
Italian parsley. Yes, that's right. You got it.
All right, and then this is, oh, Chris, what is this? This is
That is red wine vinegar.
red wine vinegar, and
some
that's a tablespoon? A
That is
teaspoon?
a tablespoon.
Okay, great. And then I'm going to do a healthy pinch of salt. I love the salt in this. And then I've got some pepper, too. And there we go. And I'm going to just mix this up. And it is so good. Y'all, this is just good to eat.
It is. I mean, it's so good on so many things. We of course, we love to make our chicken gyros.
Oh, yes.
Or as we
I
used-
love it. I used to say before we knew how to pronounce it.
Well,
a gyro.
It's just easier to say gyro, but that's like very inappropriate.
Yeah.
So now what we're going to do is I've covered this with plastic wrap, and it's better if you can let these flavors meld before you cook them up. And the same thing with all of these, with the tzatziki and the cucumber salad. So we're going to stick these in the fridge for about an hour, and then we really get going with this meatball party.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so now we're ready to cook these up. One thing I didn't do earlier that would have been a bad omission is you need to add salt to your meatball mixture. So I added like a teaspoon and a half, teaspoon and a quarter of salt, and then a nice teaspoon of black pepper. Stirred that in and then let it chill. So now we're going to form some meatballs again.
And I think I've got a good size right here, Chris.
Yeah, I mean that's pretty big, but I
no.
I like this. We like to go the size of a golf ball.
That's
I think
perfect.
That is lovely. So you should get about 20 meatballs. Again, unless
Depends on your size.
yeah, how big you like your meatballs. But okay, we're gonna roll these all up.
Roll them.
Okay.
Well, we did 21 actually.
I think we got 21.
Those are big meatballs.
Those are big meatballs. I love them.
All right, you can take your gloves off. I'm going to stay here with the flour.
So what is these Greek meatballs called Keftedes, I believe, if I'm saying it correctly.
Yes, I think so.
In Greek. They're known for being, like Wesley said, like tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. And the way we're going to do that is we roll them in some flour, and these are basically fried. I mean, fried meatballs. How can you get better than that?
I love it.
I've got some vegetable oil over here. I've heated this. You want to get it to where it's like shimmering. It's probably around 350 degrees. And they just cook quickly. They don't take long, and they get that dark, crispy exterior, which is just amazing. And we're going to do these in batches. We don't want to overcrowd the pan. And how are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
You're doing good.
I love that this is adding to our collection of meatballs.
I know we have. So we're mad about meatballs. We've got, of course, our Italian.
Talk about a meatball party.
I know we've got our Italian meatballs. We've got our Mexican albondigas meatballs, which are fabulous. We've got Swedish meatballs. We just recently did. You'll remember the Swedish meatball pasta. It's a very American way of doing it, but so many people have made it and loved it. And how are you doing?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Now shake off excess flour.
I am shaking.
Okay. Okay.
Oops, sorry, I shook.
Okay.
It's my gloves.
I know. So, okay, we're good. We're good. So these, and the great thing about this is because they're in the oil, they're not going to stick to the pan. So that's good. Like a lot of times when you're doing meatballs, they want to stick. But anyway, we're going to get all of these in here, and they don't take long. They only take about 8 minutes, and we're going to turn them over every little bit just so they get equally cooked and browned and fried on every side.
Abby headed outside. These guys are frying. I got to get out of here.
They're flinging meatballs. I got to get out of here. So, okay. All right, so we're going to cook these up until they're beautifully fried. Aren't these looking amazing? So you see how they're just kind of crispy on the outside.
Oh, those look good.
And just beautiful. So now I'm just going to start. You want to? Here.
Yeah, you got it. Okay.
So we're going to put the towels, let them just kind of drain a little bit, and Oh my gosh, and they smell so good.
I'm dying.
I know. All right, so we're gonna get these out of the oil, then we're gonna do the rest of them, and then it's time to dig in, have our meatball party. Look at these beautiful Keftedes.
Yeah, it's
I love
a Keftedes party.
It is. Oh man, these are beautiful. They smell so good. So I've got serve them with a little lemon juice.
Fresh lemon.
That always just gives a pop of flavor. And then I've got some just some chopped parsley because that always makes everything look pretty.
Totally.
And then we're going to top it with a little more coarse sea
I
salt.
like my meatballs salty.
Yeah, they definitely they're great.
take
with
it,
a little extra salt. Okay, I'm gonna bring. So we got all, like we said, our accoutrements. So
All the accoutrements.
we've got some pita bread. And the fun thing is that it really is a meatball party, and you can just put all this out and let people go to town.
I'm just gonna crack one of these open so everybody can.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yes. And see how it's kind of soft on the inside, crispy on the outside.
Yes. Oh, I love that. All right. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna tear this in half. So I'm gonna have like little individual pitas.
That's a good idea.
And then I'm going to put on my tzatziki.
Oh, the tzatziki. Yes.
I love tzatziki.
Oh,
I use a lot of it.
These meatballs are so
Aren't those
beautiful.
great?
They're so the smell.
And this is also this cucumber salad is
So simple and
Sit
so
there with
delicious.
a spoon and eat it.
I know.
I'm salivating,
I am
y'all.
too, I
Oh
am
look,
too.
I've already cut this open, so I'm gonna just put it right like that. Then I've got some feta. We are going to town. Just a little.
I feel like we're like on a Greek isle somewhere. You know?
Oh,
It's just-
wouldn't that be wonderful?
lovely?
We need a vacation.
I know. I know. We're just talking like,
I know.
no one else is in the room. Okay.
And then I'm gonna put a couple of those on there. Oh, that's good. All right.
Okay.
I think I'm ready.
I think so too. Here, let me.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do that a little extra.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a little more sea salt.
It's fine.
It's good. I know. Did you put some feta on there?
Mm-hmm. I did. Oh, come on now.
I know. Well, you got a head jump start on me. Okay.
Guys, look at that.
I made one big one. You did. Because I'm going.
I don't know how you're gonna eat it.
I don't either.
All right, here we go.
I'll figure it out. Wow.
That is good.
Meatballs. Oh my goodness gracious.
There you go.
Thank you.
Wow. Wow.
I love the Greek flavors.
That is amazing.
It's so refreshing and so delicious.
Guys, you need to do this. It is
top notch.
that's that fresh taste. That cucumber adds such a freshness to it.
And the mint in the meatballs is not overpowering, but it gives a depth of flavor. And I love the texture.
I love those so much.
I know. We're having our own little meatball party.
Yeah. Wow. All right.
Okay, all right, let's get down to business.
Those are like 1,000,000,000% Luna approved. Meatballs.
Okay.
Keftedes.
Tell us if we're saying it wrong. And of course, we're not Greek, so
But our neighbors are.
Our neighbors are, and they taste test everything, and he's giving us a thumbs up. But you let us know if anything looks different or wrong or good. We love you guys.
Keftedes.
All right, bye, everybody.